Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video we will be looking at one of the paid market signals called crypto based scanner on 3commas marketplace. But let's do the disclaimer first. So here goes the disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational purpose only. It's not a financial, legal or tax advice. This video is solely my opinions and I'm not a licensed financial or investment advisor. Trading cryptocurrencies is highly volatile and risky, and I can't guarantee any particular outcome. Now let's get started with the video. Okay then. So crypto based scanner is about $15 a month, and it supports Binance, UOB, OKX, Bittrex. In terms of pairs on Binance, it supports BNB, BTC, BUSD. You can save fees on this by trading on BUSD. It's free till the end of the year. Ethereum and USDT. So it's good to have a signal that supports all of these. So let's dig deeper into this. So the story of crypto based scanner is like, if you know about the QFL strategy, quick finger loops, this is something that started based on that. It basically scans whenever there's a crack in the base based on the QFL strategy, and it gives signals based on that, which is great. If you like the whole concept of QFL, you can always go here, and they have their own software as well called altrady. I did make a video on that, where if you subscribe to that, you get you can use the software plus the base scanner is built into that. But if you want to stick to 3commas, then this is the place where you can subscribe to the bot over here. In terms of signals, you can see that it gives about 1 2 3 4 5 for all the exchanges that it has. So, and it has a bit of a mix, like it's not like just giving the same signals. For example, you can see here it's giving a different signal. KuCoin is at the moment not supported on 3commas for XYZ reasons, but you can see that they do tend to have some variation. Let's look at the 60-day. And you can see that the number of signals are there as well. Okay, so approximately I think you'll receive about 10 signals, 10 plus every day, for if you stick to Binance. So let's look at the settings for this fella. Okay, so this is based on BTC, and here you can see that it does support USDT as well, but not that many signals, and mostly for KuCoin. If we go further, we see that it does have a lot of USDT, but mostly for KuCoin. Ethereum is also for KuCoin. So majorly for and it has like some of these see, like in case of FTX, they have tokens like these, which are the leverage tokens, not the up and down. So always be careful. So anyways, in this case, it would more be towards a BTC bot. As you can see over here, it's a BTC bot. Let's copy it. Ignore. Wait for it. Okay. Edit. Ignore. Okay, so here we can name it as crypto base scanner for now, and this is BTC. It's almost all, it's not BTC all, but it's a lot of coins. So BTC selected underscore, let's say under the profile, about 150 approximately, and yeah, and 0.1 24. Okay, let's look at the settings. So these are the, excuse me. So these are the coins. Then we have 6 active deals. Base order, safety order, same size, 0.001, which is in BTC. Then this is where your signal will be. Take profit is at fixed at 2%, no variation. They do have a stop loss. I believe this is because they do have any HPS. But yeah, like, okay, they're keeping a stop loss. I wouldn't, so I would turn off the stop loss. Max safety orders are 2 on, so this is like 1 would be placed already on the exchange with your funds locked. A deviation is of 5%, and safety volume and safety order scale is at 2. Minimum volume to start a trade is at 5. I would highly recommend increasing this to at least 20 plus, and because these are very it depends on the signal provider. So I would say that because there are some shit coins here, even if you keep it at 100, it'll be safer. Simultaneously 1 deal. So let's look at what this bot is giving us in terms of deviation. It's giving us 15%, and which is moderate. 15% is moderate, and yeah. So now if we want to customize it a little bit, we say, okay, I think I can have 7 deals, and I think I can put in, so if you look at BTC to USD and you write 0.01, that's a lot, right? So you don't want that. So you say, let's say 50, 51, yeah, let's say 51. Copy it, bring it here. So this is 51 and this is 51. Okay, so now we have a 0.0280 BTC, 0.0280 BTC. Okay, so now what else we can change? This can remain the same, this can remain the same, or if you want to add trading at 2%, that's 0.2%, 10% of this. This one we already switched off, the stop loss. Then maximum safety trades at 3. If you look at the table right now, it will open at 5, then it will open at 15, which is not bad at all. And I'd like to stick to these settings, I'd say. And we can always add funds, keep 30% of this in addition to this to rescue your deals. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please do smash the like button. Do subscribe if you're enjoying my content, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao. If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz Van Winkle, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.